So hi everyone, and Rashi ma'am, thank you so much. Like I said, now I have a very clear answer when someone asks me like, who's your most favorite teacher? I really, without even a doubt, it's you. And yeah, it's not just about the way you teach is also something we all need to learn from. It's like there's so much love, there's so much affection in your way of teaching. So, and I notice when I agree with Mr. Arjun, you're never talking about yourself. Your intention is only to impart knowledge, and that comes so clear. You share your experiences in such a nice manner without having that ego that, okay, I have experienced this, so I'm superior. It comes out like so well. I really, really appreciate that. And also at the same time, I also notice how you draw a boundary around you, which I think is important as a teacher that you have to, that nobody can overstep that boundary. That is something which I really want to learn, and you are my example for that. Not just that I didn't just learn PLAB from you, but also what is a good teacher and how can they can conduct themselves. That's something. And for the last 2 years, I have been looking consciously or subconsciously looking for somebody to teach me these concepts. And I was looking in Canada, I've been looking for teachers. There somehow something didn't appeal to me. We were talking, me and Vibha were talking something over the phone, and something casual comment about past life came. The same day she got so curious that she went and researched all possible teachers in India, whoever is available, and then she sent me Miss Rashi's information. She said, I think she is the best. So let's, and then we just look when the course is happening, and thankfully, I'm so grateful it was happening at the time that I'm visiting here. So we almost had decided then, even before talking to anybody else, we knew we are coming here, but it always instantly, but you still need that convincing. So yeah, of course, the second person whom I like to thank is my sister for finding, Miss Rashidi, bringing her to my attention. And third person in the step was Mr. Arjun. So yeah, I asked him, you all know I ask questions. So I have spent literally like 5 hours talking to him on the phone, asking all sorts of questions. So, and at some point I thought, and it used to, because I'm in Canada, he's literally staying up. I know he was answering at 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. I'm like, I used to ask him, sir, is it okay for you? It's too late. Can I ask? I have still questions, but we can do it tomorrow. And he's like, no, go ahead. It's okay. I'm here to answer your questions. And he explained everything like so beautifully without getting irritated or annoyed. There were some questions I asked, if someone else would have taken it, probably would have been offended by the questions. But he was not like that, and I felt he's going to get my intention of asking that questions, and so he answered and explained everything in such a wonderful and nice way. So yeah, after that I really didn't have any doubt that I'm coming here. The only problem was I had made up my mind, it was to convince my husband, and but that happened. And so thank you so much, sir. You have also played a big role in me being here. And finally, and about my experience here, I really, people know about me that I don't connect easily with people. I have very few friends, especially in the last 15 years, Canada. If you ask me who's my friend, I always say I have no friends. So with coming here, I felt from the very first conversation with anybody who I was going, there was so much ease in talking, like I knew them, and it was just flowing. And I was so willing to share my personal information. The things I've shared with people here, I've never shared with anyone, not even a single person. But here, I came with an intention that I'll be open because I'm going there for my transformation. And I felt that ease that I could share anything with anyone. So thank you all for being here. And I'm really happy and satisfied with that one, because I'm here in this life to learn. So I'm so thankful, and thank you so much for everything. Thank you.